wholeheartedly thanking Australia for taking the initiative for this resolution, and especially the personal commitment of Julie Bishop, who's made this possible. Without her perseverance, we would not be standing here today with this resolution adopted by the Security Council. The fact that this resolution is now adopted means that at the highest international level, we have backing for three things. First of all, that we can bring our compatriots back home, wherever that home may be. Secondly, that there will be a thorough, independent, international investigation into what has happened. Thirdly, that there will be no impunity. Those responsible for this despicable act will be brought to justice. And Australia and the Netherlands stand firm in their commitment that we will not rest until our people are brought home, until a thorough investigation is committed, until those responsible are put to justice. Thank you very much.